Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your account and client are current. Verify your email, sign in, and update the app or browser. Once done, clear cache and cookies or create a fresh profile so stale data won't block search requests. Make sure you've granted microphone and storage permissions if the interface needs them, and disable any strict privacy plugins briefly. These actions remove common local blockers and get you to the first functional test quickly. Next, isolate the problem by testing search in an incognito or private window to bypass extensions and stored state. If incognito works, disable extensions one by one, focus on ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN browser add-ons because they often block API calls. If it still fails, switch devices or use mobile data to check whether your ISP or router is throttling requests. While doing this, keep an eye on response times. Prolonged timeouts point to network or server routing issues rather than client settings. Finally, perform a clean reinstall or reset the app settings to eliminate corrupted state. If that doesn't help, collect console and network logs plus timestamp screenshots so you can provide precise evidence. Submit those with a concise description to support, then try a temporary VPN or different region to confirm whether the problem is regional. One troubleshooting tip. If search still fails after these steps, replicate the issue in a second browser and attach its console logs. Parallel evidence speeds up diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.